Ini tak ke dream project yang bercerang wajah welcome to yang gawon arte konosi. Kita tak punya sekian. Debon gimana merendam, debon cinta, debon JSM, debon dedications. Wari cemi bagi hak sarkar yang ni deman go dreams come true. Tai kublai kerpang nak yang akan di MD government horok gawi. Lembah kejing teli yang hak kejing lang usar cip di sarang berongi. Dia lagi project untuk dekat kondusi yang hawarok ke state yung Meghalaya. Unity min statement kawihi mare isu yo order uang kontrak uta ukre dan bau lagi jingker pade ke chong yongi yo sa bahak yo krelang yo dep yo disidem hapo ipor kenangwa yo nigawan hagawin go program gongi inauguration ceremony wa kajing kre sitom bat kata kajing wan bani syambat ngana ko bat nga bu mas ng bang ang yakani kakam kung mga lakular na kamentaw artificial to kanlong be tambayang sibet ya kalam lang bu chief minister neba baga jing temu kayong kung kalakaliang ka government nunton itang bu artificial to sendon da stadium ka bagi bu maunong remata kasi arfusan kerutung ka Tadi kan ketua kecudang ke bapa produce cibun peliar lelaki football nak tentang state yang Euro. Syukur taman pun kenmoi kerteng sepi. Woro intimate ye gini. Ijong Julius War. Bising Shella. Ijong Rio Lamare. Marlangki Niwan Yong Suki woro. Ketua nani ko. Ha? Wahiajer. Tapi to ko wi nak district, to ko wi nak kecudang ke ba la produce siya la penmi peliar. Lelaki nama state. They deserve to get this kind of beautiful complex, beautiful stadium here in Wahiajer.
Kani kanlong kejaka kabakerpang dan komunitas dikam ialah kai sports. Akabang minta kasni Chief Minister Jongi uwan leban bu yang monorim. Bat kanlong kajikerku ya kasnong katau jongpi. Bat kumjuru na kamunta kari Jaintia Hills baro away ai bagan kakam kaba ensapen train no shen kanlong sisa ka jingkerku ya kanika tangan baro away bat kumju ya ka jelam Meghalaya jong namar bahaki ni kijuk kijongi ki bamenta ki kun samla jongi ngi ki babun ki don ka sap kapong ban pen ha ki benta ki baper ha ki jing la ha ki jing la kai sports ko jong ki.
At the very outset, congratulate the sports department for the tremendous work that they are doing to build up sports and, as was mentioned, to take it to greater heights. And there has been a lack of good infrastructure for sports throughout our state. There has also been a neglect in this particular sector in many fronts. We have the talent. We have the youngsters who desire to not just play sports but to take sports as a career. But because of the lack of infrastructure, the lack of proper training, many dreams are left unfulfilled. I remember when we had taken over the government and we had a meeting to discuss about the sports policy. I was told that a sports person who would receive a medal in the national games would be given 7,000 rupees from the state government. Now, I'm not saying that money is important, but it does make a difference. A sports person who wins a medal at the national games, if you go to other states, they get lakhs and lakhs as a mark of respect and also to boost their spirit. As soon as we came into the government, we came out with a sports policy. We made changes. And today, depending on the medal that you get, that 1,000 has been converted, at least for the beginning, into lakhs. 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 5 lakhs. A mark of recognition for us sports people, a small recognition. But it goes a long way in telling the sports people, the sportsmen that we have, that we recognize you. We appreciate this medal that you have received does not mean just for you, but it brings pride to the people of the state also. I'm very happy today that this long pending demand and desire of the people of not just Wahiajer area, but the whole of Natia constituency and the whole of West Jaintia Hills, that a proper stadium with multi-facilities should come up. And I must, at this point in time, give full credit to your local MLA and our government's Transport Minister, Shri Shnabalang Dhar, for continuously following up on this project. Friends, government has limited resources. We can't put up stadiums everywhere. But we need to be convinced that we select the right location which will be of convenience to everybody and will make the maximum difference. And your MLA was able to put across his argument and the logical reason why the sports stadium for Jaintia Hills should be in Wahiajer. And it is because of his continuous efforts and intervention that today we have sanctioned 25 crores for this multi-facility stadium to be put up out here. He deserves a big hand and a big round of applause. I request all to give a round of applause to him. I once again am thankful to all of you for having come to this program, and especially thankful to the local MLA and the sports department for the initiative and to make successfully lay the foundation stone today for this 25 crore stadium. We are expected to complete this stadium within 20 months from today. We are hopeful that the work orders will be issued within the next 30 days. And after the work orders issued in the next 30 days, we are hopeful after that, within 18 to 20 months. That means before Christmas 2022, we are very, very hopeful that this project will be completed. I urge the department to ensure that constant monitoring takes place, because it is important that we complete the project on time so that the people of this area and this district can enjoy this stadium and can play different tournaments in this.